Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a share from Maker's Movement. I received my products for their fall or Halloween line, and so I just want to share with you the products I received to review and share with you. So first of them is the spider die set. You do get 3 of these dies, as you can see. And this is how they cut out. So that's the 3 dies that you receive. And it's called the spider die set. I also received a nested coffin die set, and I believe there is 7 pieces with this set. And this is the biggest. That's the largest piece there. The die measures approximately 4 inches across by about 5.5 inches tall. So 4 inches across, 5.5 tall for the largest die. And then, you know, it's nested, so it gets smaller from there. I'll show you. I left them all together before I separated some of them, and this is how it cuts. That's the pieces, and then they just, you know, come apart. So that's the different sizes I get there. One thing with nested dies is it's great dies to make shakers. And speaking of shakers, they have new shaker pieces that they call sprinkles, and these are them. I'm sorry for the glare. The other die I received was this nested arch die here, and you get 5 pieces in this one. And this one measures approximately 3 inches across and about 4.5 high. So 3 inches across, 4.5 high. And so this one makes these cuts here. And that's how those turn out. Or you can do solid. Each one can be solid too as well. And then I also received these ghosts. It's a 6 die piece, and it's called Spooky Buds die set. And it comes with these 3 groovy guys, and then these eyes that you can embellish them with. And so I cut some of them out a couple times, but the bigger one is about 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches. So he's about 2.5 by 2.5. And then the little guys are probably just about 1.25 by 1.25. And that guy's about 1 inch by 1.5. So cute. So we got those there. And then I also got a Happy Halloween sentiment. There's that there. So that's this sentiment here, Happy Halloween. And they are about 3.25 inch in height. And the Happy is about 2.5 inches, and the Halloween is about 4.75 inches. So there's that. I also received some stamp and die sets. They go together. It's called Trick or Treat Yourself. And here's the die set, and here's the stamp set. It has some sentiments, Creeping It Real, Sup Witches, Under Your Spell, Coolest Ghoul in the Graveyard, and Trick or Treat Yourself. So yeah, stay tuned for some projects with those. And then there's also Happy Haunts. How cute are the faces for all the pumpkins? So this one just has Happy Haunting, Halloween, Trick or Treat, and Boo. And so that's the stamp set, and here's the die set. So these dies cut out these Halloween pumpkins, and then you can decorate whatever face you want. So stay tuned for some of those projects. And then as always, they've sent me some double-sided adhesive foam. There's 4 pieces in the pack. They're 5 inches by 8, and they are a 1/4 inch thick. And then they also have clear adhesive sheets that they sell they're 6 by 8 sheets, and there's 4 in a pack of those as well. And I love it because the acetate comes with the protection on both sides. Stay tuned. I'll be back with some projects to share. Fall line shortly too, so be watching out for that. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate you stopping by. For more videos like these, see here, please consider liking and subscribing. And until my next video, shakas!